This old, I don't know, about a 87 Harley Softail Evo motor, 1350 or something, big motor. It apparently was running. The guy took it apart to do something, who knows what, and didn't die in the middle of it. So my customer got it for a debt. Better than nothing, I guess. But my job is first to determine if it's even worth saving. I imagine it is. You know, there's a lot of stuff. The clutch is gone. The primary cover just stuck on it. He said he put a new drive belt on it. But this will be a playlist on this thing. I'll make a intro video and put it up. Now I'll get back to work on that tie rod end.